I'm right now in the flight. This is the Cebu Pacific Air flight, and I am excited to go to Davao. Let's I'm here looking at eagles at this Philippines Eagle Foundation. So it's like a very forestry place. And I saw quite a few eagles. Interesting. Hopefully I get to see a Philippine eagle. The one that is named after Philippines because it's only found in Philippines. They are actually monkey eaters, which is...
Did you know that the Philippine eagle, known before as the monkey-eating eagle, because when they were discovered, they were eating monkeys. Philippine eagle are known as monogamous. They can only have one partner. Their lifespan in the wild is 25 to 30 years. But in captivity, they can live up to 48. And their height can grow up to 1 meter with a wingspan of 2 meters.
So cute.
It's called grousing.
Oh my god, very cute. What the hell?
Mindanao is not in cage before. If you notice, this cage is very small compared to the other cages because these cages are it's just temporary.
Because you feed it. Okay. Hello. Bye bye. Hello. Are you having a great time out there? All aproned up, ready to make my chocolate. So my hair is in a net, and I have my gloves, and I have my tray to make my chocolate. We are just done with our chocolate making, and we put it into the freezer, and it will be done in 20 minutes, and we get to see the end product that we just created. So I put mine with a few other things because I cooked some ingredients from some other people, so hopefully it will taste nice lah. Because in one chocolate there's more than one ingredient. I don't know how it will taste lah, but okay. XL1. We are done with chocolate making and now we are going to go back, and the bus ride is about 1 or 2 hours, and it will be just nice in time for dinner, and then we are done for the day.
I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand. Be my girl, I be your man. I see the future in your eyes.
Good morning! We are currently on the jeep going to do the water rafting. It's very airy and very shaky. Thank God for the gimbal, if not you won't even see a decent footage out of this. We are gonna go white water rafting, and it's something that I've never done before, so let's just hope it's gonna I'm gonna survive out of it. Because they say that they will be going down rapid waves. Oh my god! Everyone fell!
Break ulit naman. Sudden break, natabangan. Sorry guys.